Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of bird watching with the Wasserstein bird feeder camera case. If you're a bird enthusiast looking for an affordable way to capture those feathered friends in action, this might just be the solution for you. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest reviews. Let's get started. Greetings, folks! Today, we're taking a closer look at the Wasserstein bird feeder camera case. A nifty solution for bird enthusiasts who already have a home Wi-Fi security camera. But even if you don't own one yet, no worries. The case is compatible with popular models like the Blink outdoor camera and Ring stick-up cam, making it a budget-friendly option to start capturing those avian wonders. Installing the camera into the Wasserstein case is a breeze, whether it's the Blink outdoor camera or the Ring stick-up cam. The case design makes swapping between cameras a snap, and you'll be up and running in no time. Mounting the setup is equally simple, with the included strap allowing you to secure it to a tree or even a wall using the provided bracket. Filling up the feeder is straightforward, though a hinged roof would have been a nice touch for easier access. Plus, for the hummingbird enthusiasts, there's a reservoir to feed those tiny flyers. Although, I have to admit, South London might not be the hummingbird hotspot. Now, let's talk about the camera itself. The Wasserstein case lets you make the most of your chosen camera's capabilities, whether it's Ring or Blink. While you won't get advanced AI bird recognition, motion alerts and customizable settings are at your fingertips. Just remember to fine-tune the sensitivity to avoid wind-triggered notifications. The image quality depends on your camera model and its app. While the cameras perform as expected, it's worth noting that capturing birds up close might result in slightly out-of-focus shots due to their design. However, for casual monitoring and sharing, the results are more than satisfactory. Rest assured, all cameras compatible with the Wasserstein case are weatherproof, and the case adds an extra layer of protection. What's intriguing is the discreet design choice with transparent and brown plastics, blending seamlessly with natural surroundings. It might not scream modern, but it definitely adds to the aesthetics. Wrapping things up, the Wasserstein bird feeder camera case offers a pocket-friendly solution that serves a dual purpose, capturing bird activity and doubling as an outdoor security camera holder. While it lacks advanced AI bird recognition, it's user-friendly, visually pleasing, and does its job well for monitoring and sharing bird sightings. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the Wasserstein bird feeder camera case. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share it with fellow birdwatchers. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, keep those cameras rolling and happy birdwatching.